Shlok 23 of chapter 1.
य एतेऽत्र समागताः भारतराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धे युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः.
Atra yuddhe ete, ya, in war, these, priyachikirshava dhartarashtrasya, durbuddheya samakta, the ones who wish to perform dear to Duryodhan, with a bad intellect, have gathered. Aham avekshe yotsamanan, let me see warriors. Atra yuddhe ete, priyachikirshava dhartarashtrasya, durbuddheya samagata, aham avekshe yotsamanan. Interpretation. Here, in the Adhyatmic war of truth and falsity, these kings and the people of their army, the ones who wish to perform the act dear to Duryodhan, the wicked warrior with a bad intellect, have gathered to die now, in this field of actions that brings an end to the Iron Age. Let me see these warriors belonging to all the Vidharma, that is opposite religions. See chapter 18, Shlok 66 of the Gita.